Are you tired of working hard every day and having very little to show for it? Are you tired of seeing other people get rich while you struggle to make ends meet? Well, we have good news for you. In this video, we will show you how to use AI to accumulate wealth. First, you need to understand that AI can be used in various ways to make money. You can use AI to invest in stocks, trade in commodities, or even predict the outcome of sports matches. By using AI, you can increase your chances of making profits and reduce your risk of losing money. One of the best ways to use AI for wealth accumulation is to use it to analyze the stock market. There are AI algorithms that can analyze market trends and predict which stocks will perform well. By investing in these stocks, you can increase your chances of making a profit. Another way to use AI for wealth accumulation is to use it to trade in commodities. There are AI algorithms that can analyze market movements and identify profitable trading opportunities. By trading commodities using AI, you can make profits without having to do much work. Finally, you can also use AI to predict the outcome of sports matches. There are AI algorithms that can analyze data, such as player stats and weather conditions, to predict which team will win. By betting on the outcome of sports matches using AI, you can increase your chances of making a profit. In conclusion, using AI is a great way to accumulate wealth. By using AI to analyze the stock market, trade in commodities, or predict the outcome of sports matches, you can increase your chances of making a profit. Start using AI to make more money today by opening a free online account with M1 Financing. Link is in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos.